If you're seeing Discord error code 50147, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it step by step. This issue usually shows up when you're trying to connect or link an account, and the good news is that in many cases, it can be solved in just a few minutes. So if this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Let's get straight into it. The first thing to try is switching away from the mobile app. A lot of users run into this error when attempting to link accounts on their phone, because Discord's mobile app can sometimes trigger connection problems. Instead, open a desktop browser on a PC or Mac, or launch the Discord desktop app directly. Then log into your Discord account there and try adding the connection again. In many cases, just moving from mobile to desktop is enough to resolve the error, because the desktop version handles the connection handshake more reliably. If you're still getting the error, the next step is to turn off any VPN or proxy you might be using. VPNs can interfere with the connection between Discord and third-party services, which can cause this 50147 error to appear. If you have a VPN running, pause it or disconnect it completely. If you use a proxy, disable that too. Once everything is off, go back to Discord and try linking the account again. This step is really important because even a small network interruption can cause the connection to fail. Now, if the issue is still not fixed, the next thing to do is clear Discord's cache. Over time, cached files can become corrupted or outdated, and that can cause strange login or connection errors. To clear the cache on Windows, first make sure Discord is completely closed. You can do this by exiting the app fully and checking that it is not still running in the background. Then press Windows key plus R to open the run box. In the box, type %localappdata%, then press Enter. A File Explorer window will open. Look for the Discord folder, open it, and delete it. After that, restart Discord and try the connection process again. This can remove broken temporary files and often fixes stubborn issues like error code 50147. If you want, you can also restart your computer after clearing the cache, just to make sure everything reloads cleanly. Then open Discord again and test the connection one more time. In most cases, one of these three fixes will solve the problem, using the desktop app or browser, turning off VPNs and proxies, or clearing the cache. So to recap, if Discord error code 50147 is blocking you, first try linking your account from a PC or Mac instead of mobile. Then disable any VPN or proxy, and finally clear Discord's cache by removing the Discord folder from your local app data. These steps are simple, safe, and usually get everything working again. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more Discord fixes, app tutorials, and quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.